So far in our project, our main accomplishment has been building a knowledge base, which we have put into this wiki, which will be part of our final deliverable to the customer. The reason we've only so far done a wiki is because this is a very heavy research-based project where it needs to be, because it's for a learning environment, it needs to be accurate. So we need to make sure that we are using accurate, we have an accurate knowledge base before we start building things. That way we're not having to go back and fix things later, and make sure that it is, after we've programmed it, is then accurate. So far we have our Castle Builder wiki. We have a section on castle structures, which has all the different structures which are found in a castle, and a lot of these things were identified in a book called Castle Builders. We have materials, which has the main materials that a castle is made out of. We'll be adding to this later to make sure that we know the different characteristics of different materials. Then we have physics, which is a big part of our project. I think we're going to use the Unity physics engine, but we have to make sure that the Unity physics engine marches up with real life. So we have to have a knowledge base of real life physics before we can move on to using the Unity physics base. So we have a normal force and friction. We have projectile motion, force, energy, and work, momentum and impulse, collisions, which is really complicated, and we're working on that to an extent. We're going to have to rely on Unity a little more for the collisions part. And then in properties, we also have our siege weapons and how the siege weapons work, so that when we're modeling the siege weapon attacking the castle, it works properly.